Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Cucumber BDD with Cypress. So we will see step by step uh, introduction about BDD, Cypress, and how BDD setup is done with Cypress, everything. We will do step by step, right? So before that, guys, I'm sharing my screen. This is my channel, QA to SDET. So here we will discuss more about manual and automation testing, Playwright, Cypress, Selenium, API testing with Postman and REST API, test management and develop DevOps tools. Okay. Please subscribe our channel for more content, more information. So if you want to transform from QA to SDET, so please subscribe our channel. And also I have created multiple platforms, LinkedIn, X, and Instagram. So from there also you can navigate to the this channel. Okay, I hope this session will be more helpful for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, first of all, we will understand what is BDD. So BDD, what is BDD? So BDD is nothing but BDD stands for. It's going to be theoretical guys. We will understand what is BDD, what are the like which language it is, and all. So it is this session is completely theoretical. I think BDD stands for behavior driven development. BDD stands for behavior driven development. So where here this is one way to write test cases that anyone can understand. Anyone can understand, even if they don't know how to code. How to code. Right, guys? Here we write test cases in plain English language. Plain English language. So that non-technical non-technical people who are in our projects like PO or product owners. Maybe so the product owners might be aware about the product, but technically then they are not good. So in that case, product owners, PM, like PM, project managers can understand app behavior correctly. Okay. So this is how the BDD helps, right, guys? Then here I told you, right? So BDD means so BDD behavior driven framework. So what it requires? Okay, one is dependencies. We can say dependencies. Dependencies. Here, first thing is BDD framework we are using. So which tool we are working? Cucumber is the tool. Cucumber is the tool which we are going to that supports BDD by using Gherkin language. Gherkin syntax or language. Syntax. We use Gherkin syntax here. And Cypress. So these are the two dependencies, right? And coming to Cucumber, what is Cucumber? What is Cucumber? So we can say that Cucumber is a tool that supports BDD to write to write Gherkin language. Gherkin language or syntax. Here you can find given when when then keywords and we map it to code. Okay, this is all. So Cucumber is nothing but it's a Gherkin. It's a Cucumber is a tool that supports BDD by using Gherkin language. Gherkin language. And here, one more important thing is here we need to learn dot feature. So everything works on the feature file. Feature files describe behavior of the test behavior and the dot feature file and step definitions, right? So step definition helps to connect code with code with the Gherkin steps. Gherkin steps. Okay, this is about the Cucumber. Now everyone gets right. Why Cucumber with Cypress? Why Cucumber with Cypress? Here we achieve collaboration. So collaboration in the sense PMs, project managers, dev teams, QA. So can read and write test cases. Collaboration in the sense so PMs, devs, everyone is connecting to it. Okay. The second thing is readability. Readability is clear test documentation, patient, reusability concept, reusability, steps that can be reused across scenarios. So maintains BDD practices, BDD practice. So everyone can practice BDD. So in Scrum, right? Scrum, we follow sprints, right? So agile scrums, we follow sprints, right? So we can achieve goals, achieve targets, goals, goals by this. Okay. Till here you are clear, right, guys? Now you should understand Gherkin keywords. Gherkin keywords. What are Gherkin keywords? Features, features. What are features? Okay. What are features? Okay. Features are nothing but a high level description of the functionality you are testing, right? This is about the features. What is the second one? Scenario. With few examples describing how specific behavior should be, right? Given. So these keywords, right, it helps us in writing the test cases in the Gherkin language, right? Given. It is nothing but it's a precondition or prerequisite of a test case. When keyword. So the action performed on the event, right? Like click, mm, input, scroll, etc. Then is so result of the action like assertions, right? And say additional steps to enhance when given, when and then. Enhancement, so some reusable things written. And it And also we have background. Background defines common steps that are shared by all scenarios, right? So we have one more thing, scenario outline. Scenario outline. See a template for multiple scenarios with a different test data. Means run same scenario with multiple sets of multiple rows of data. Right? You understood, right? Right? So this is what we are going to uh, implement in. So this is what we are going to implement in our current test case, right? So I hope you understood the current concept. Now what I will do, right? I will try to create new project. Open new folder, projects. I am creating Cypress BDD. Okay. So this is our project now. Try to access that project from here. Open folder. So we are doing the setup, Cypress setup with the BDD. Okay. Projects QA. Go to terminal. Just check there are dependencies for the Cypress, right? So what is the node version first? Node hyphen v. We have already node npm. Just check npm hyphen v. Node package manager. We have already installed. These two are dependencies for Cypress, and for installing Cypress dependencies, we can see here. So Cypress installation dependencies. Okay, one is node.js, node.js. So once you install node.js, no, automatically it will come with npm, node package manager also. Okay. Second thing is Cypress. You can install Cypress. And third thing where we are going to install VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now we already opened the folder, right? Okay. Now open this. We already did that. npm init. Install the project first. Okay, package name Cypress BDD. Okay, Cypress BDD. Okay, it's already there. Cypress BDD framework. No, it is telling no capital letters. Description I can give Cypress BDD framework. We will work on Cypress BDD framework for the same project. Other. Okay. And now we are installing the Cypress and see. Once I do this setup, right, can you see package.json? Whatever we created here, no? So it came under it is in the package.json file. So in the package.json file is one of the very important file. This is the heart of a Node.js, we can say. So this is the heart of our project. So see here we can create the project name, and also we can create the dependencies. We can add the dependencies here. We can write the scripts. But going forward, you will understand it. Okay. Now npm install Cypress. So it will install the latest version. Along with that, what I can do, I'm adding hyphen, I can say hyphen here. So I'm trying to install the Cypress under development department. So there will be, we are trying to install under development dependencies, not in the production dependency, right? So you can see here, hyphen say means it's a local. So locally I'm installing, right? It is trying to install Cypress. It will take some time. I will wait. it installed, right? You can check the version npx cypress -v, right? Can I see the latest version is 14.5.1? Okay. Now open the Cypress npx Cypress open. Okay, it got open. Open the end-to-end test. Can you see here? Now you can see under Cypress, continue. See, if I go with the scaffold, right? Cypress, right? If you, whoever is new to Cypress, no, Cypress is demoing, right? It is learning. It is a learning curve. Cypress is giving already few examples. Those who are new to the Cypress, they can go each and every file, they can execute and they can run the test cases. It is like a giving instruction to the user. So it is giving some uh, test cases already. Can you see here now the project folder is Cypress. Under Cypress, you can see downloads, end-to-end fixture support. So node modules, right? Here you can find all the libraries. So node Cypress config.json. Here we are going to add some configurations here. Package.json file and package-log.json file. So let it be like this one. Under end-to-end, you can see it all right. Some examples Cypress is giving. So if you are new to Cypress, you can go through each and every file and you can learn how Cypress test cases are written. So this is one of the it is giving some demo it is giving, right? This is very helpful. So right now I don't want to these files. So we are going with BDD, right? So if you are working on Mocha framework, this will be more helpful. So right now we are working on the BDD. For now, I am deleting these files. Okay, we will do the BDD setup first, right? So for that BDD setup. So now what are the, see, now we have done all this Cypress installation. Now BDD dependencies, right? So Cucumber, we need to install it. Cypress is done. For BDD, we go to our here, go to our library, extensions, Cucumber, Cucumber. Can I see this one? Cucumber for VS Code, Cucumber Gherkin. So we will go with Cucumber Gherkin. So 1 million users, right? So most of the people has downloaded. So just install it. Install it. Yeah, it got installed. Okay. Now go to your test case. Now go to your package.json file. The Cypress is installed, right? Cypress is installed. And now we have to do some setup for the uh, for a Cucumber processor, Cypress Cucumber processor. We need to add the dependency, Cypress Cucumber. Okay, go to Google. Cypress Cucumber processor. Can you see here? We are going to this file. So go to this one, npm, Cypress Cucumber npm processor. Can you see here? It has given some setup, right? So under the Cypress Cucumber processor, you can go to steps, get started, install the plugin by running this. Copy this one, go here. Okay. Right now we will close it. New terminal, take it. So we are installing the dependency. Okay. See, it is everything is installing under dev dependencies when we add hyphen save hyphen dev, right? This is local dev dependencies. If you are adding without adding hyphen save hyphen dev, right, it will be under dependencies that is global. So 72 packages got added. There are some deprecated with the Cucumber option. So now 72 packages are added, right? Can you see here? The dependency got added under dev dependencies. This is one thing. Now go to same here. So under this Cypress plugins, Cypress configuration. See, already when you go to cypress.config.json, see, can you see here? This is our cypress.config.json. Here, you need to add these two dependencies, constant Cucumber. So require Cucumber, Cypress Cucumber processor, right? See here, copy this one and paste here. Okay. See what it means. See this is completely written in the JavaScript code. Hmm? So this is commonly used in the Cypress projects. So now we are using, as we are using. So it integrates Cypress Cucumber BDD support using. So how we are getting Cucumber BDD support to our project with the help of plugin. This we call test package or plugin processor. Cypress Cucumber processor. You understood, right, guys? So now we are going to interact with the Cucumber BDD with our project now by using this plugin Cypress Cucumber processor. This is a JavaScript line code, and this is a we are integrating Cucumber BDD with this plugin, right? So why we are using require? So this is how you import a Node.js module, right? So require helps to import a Node.js module using common JS syntax. See, Cypress Cucumber plugin, no? And this only helps to uh, we can write the file with the help of feature file we can write with the help of Cucumber, Cypress Cucumber processor, right? Now go to the same page, copy this. See, on file processor, Cucumber. Add this here, right? Add it, right? And copy this one. So this one, if they are telling, please make sure use to create a configuration for plugin by adding this section. Just use this one. Just use this one in package.json file. Just give comma, add this one here. Okay. Cypress Cucumber processor. Okay. After that, so this spec pattern, right? This test files pattern, we will add it. Uh, hold a second. And So now we are creating our project name after adding all these things. First thing is create our project name. Here, what I will write? Here under end-to-end. So instead of creating file, yeah, we'll create directly the file. Or 1 second. So I'm thinking about how we can add the folder structure. See, I'm thinking to add all features at one place. Okay. All features at one place. Um, so I'm creating directly folder features. We'll create folder instead of file, right? Folder, features folder. Under end-to-end, I'm creating one more folder. Step definitions, right? So in step definitions, definitions, and I'm creating folder pages, right? These three. This is our project folder now. Okay. Okay. This is the our project root folder. Under this root folder, under end-to-end, we have created features, pages, and step definitions. Okay. All right. Now, see to execute the test, right? So what are the features, right? So it should interact with the test cases, right? The feature files. It will run the features. It will not run the JS files. It will run the features, right? Dot feature file. So we need to get the copy relative path. Go to Cypress configurations, and here we will create one pattern under the under this one, create spec pattern, spec pattern. On the features, under these feature files, if it is having folders, we are creating under end-to-end folder, right? We are not creating any separate folder, right? Slash star dot, star means anything, any file name, dot feature. Okay. So this is how we need to define under config files to run the test cases. Okay. This is one thing. I hope everyone is understanding this. Everyone is following, right? Okay. We have done the complete setup. So, and also we need to define the spec pattern. Okay. So these step definitions, right? How this step definitions folder is going to interact with the test cases. So that is one very important thing. And go here under this non-global, right? Make here and create here step definitions. Step definitions. So get the relative path. Okay. So this is the complete setup is done now. Now we will try to write. We will try writing a single test case. Okay, we'll write one basic test case first. Okay, our test case is done, right? So one test case, what I will do, right? I'm creating file. So just I will write login test, login test. Login test dot feature. So can you see here when I add feature, right? Can you see here? Cucumber logo is appearing. So our setup is correct now. Okay, here. So we are writing the feature file. Now I will use the demo application. So go to this website. So now what we'll write? We will use this website. We will try to log into the application. You will use the password. Click on login button. Whether login is successful or not, we will check. Okay, admin password. Go to login. Admin is the username. Admin 123. The password. Okay, after login, are we logged into the application is successful or not? We will check. Right. For now, okay, we will handle it directly. But before that, we need to write the feature file, right? What is the feature? Feature login, login test. Okay. Just use one tab. So we will use the description. I'll log into the application. What is the application? Orange HRM. Okay. As a user, right? Okay. This is our description. Thing is scenario. See, it is automatically generating. I have integrated with the Copilot. Okay, scenario. What is the scenario? Scenario. So successful login it is giving. So what we will give, right? Scenario name. Login to the application Orange HRM application with valid credentials, right? Now, okay, it gave our test case, right? Given, see, it automatically gave our test case. So I integrate with the GitHub Copilot, right? We don't need to write everything like that. Okay, now given, right? I open the Orange HRM application, or if you keep this is okay, or you can modify the text. It is suggesting, right? Copilot is suggesting us launch the Orange HRM application, right? This is okay. See, I enter valid username. Okay, this is fine. I enter admin as password. So I click on the login button. I should see the dashboard page. Okay, we will let it be like this only. Okay. Now, see, pages we will use later. When we do framework, pages concept will come. See, for now, right, we are going with the basic test case. Okay. Here, you need to use login test dot. This is JS file. Okay, step definitions, right? This is JS file. And here, what you have to do? So import. So what are the Gherkin keywords? Given. See, it is giving given, when, then, from. See, one more thing is when we are using GitHub Copilot, right? See, GitHub Copilot can read the prototype of the application. See, it is not going to give what actually we needed. So it is going to give prototype. Say GitHub, it knows, right? Given, when, then, this is okay. But the plugin, whatever we require, not this plugin, right? Just type Cypress, say Cucumber processor. This is the one slash steps, right? This is the plugin we imported. Now try to give, see, it is giving given launch the Orange HRM because this is correct. Okay. Say given. So by using given keyword, what I am giving, launch the Orange HRM application. So, and you need to check this text, whatever the plain English text is matching with the feature file or not. So this is very important. If it is not matching, the test case will fail. Okay, that is the trick here. Okay, the feature file text, the test case, given text, and whatever the test case we are writing, the given text should match. Later only, it will check for the conditions or events or URL. cy.visit, everyone knows, right? This is what the application. See, is it correct? Whatever it gave the application name, I'm not sure. We'll copy and paste. Open source demo.orange.hrm. See, auth login, index, web index auth login is there, but see, it has picked randomly orange.hrm. You replace with this URL. Okay, after given, we need to use when. See, it is auto suggesting. or I will write when it is correct. I enter, see here, can you go and check here? This file, this is the one, this is the one it is giving. Copy this one and paste it here. In this test case, I enter, this is the one, okay? Okay, so we will use Copilot. So I enter admin as username, right? Here we are passing username directly, right? Instead of that username, what we can do here in the test case, so we can pass it as a string. So it is in double quotes, right? String. Okay, just pass it like this. Okay, and cy dot get input name. So is this locator is correct? First you need to check. Go here, inspect. Say input name is username. Copy this. Control F, input name equal to double quotes. Okay, this is correct. Is it same there? So we are using CSS selectors here. Input name. Yeah, it is correct. I'm replacing. Okay. Type admin we are passing right now. Now again password, right? Same. I'm using GitHub Copilot for completing this test. Okay. Same. I string, enter the password, name, password, type admin one. That is correct. Now you can use when. See here. You can use here and also. It's going to be extension, right? When I enter the username and also I enter the password, right? Anything is fine. See here we have read, right? The scenario undo additional steps for anything given when then. So here we are doing same operation, right? Here when I enter username and password and also I'm entering for when I enter, I'm entering you when I enter as a username and I enter as a password also. So like that you can use and also you can extend it and I click on the login button, type submit. So check for this one, check for this text is correct. Yeah, it has given correct. Enter for login, type submit. After that, then see it is auto suggesting. So then no, then is for assertion, right? Then is for assertion. So then result of the action like assertions. So whatever the see when is the action, it's going to click. We are inputting and also adding additional step for when and then, right? But here then is now we are checking for the assertion. So that's why then we are using here. I should see the dashboard page first thing. Go here, copy paste this one. And if here, if URL should include dashboard.index. So after login, what are we checking here? One is URL. We are checking for the dashboard, right? URL. So dashboard.index, it contains dashboard/index. So dashboard/index, it is correct. The validation, no? cy.url, whatever whatever Copilot suggested is correct. And should contain dashboard. See, this one is correct. Can we check the element? Then we are good to run. Right. Okay. Our test case looks good. Now, so now we need to run this test case, right? What I will use, right? npx Cypress open. Go to end-to-end test. This is our first test case what we have created. So click on login file. Okay, some error we got. So step implementation missing for launch the step implementation. Means step definition, right? Step implementation is missing. So it is not interacting with our, we will check each and everything. Okay, we had it. Spec pattern also we created. That is okay. Go to package display. Okay, we'll make it as false only for this. Okay, false. Now try to run it. Okay, what I'll do, right? I'll close this one. Control C. Just do npm install again. So I press open. Yeah, it started learning. It started running the test case. One second, guys. I'm charging my PC, my laptop. Yeah. So our test case got executed successfully, right? Can you see here? I launched the application. Admin. Okay. Here, can you see here? I entered the admin password. I entered the password. Can you see here? Highlighting. If I end this one, it will not highlight. Just highlight it. I should see the dashboard page. Yeah, it is to keep on loading, but still capture. But see, can you see dashboard got highlighted. So this is our test case, guys. Here in this session, right, we covered uh, what is BDD and the BDD explanation. See, what is BDD with clear explanation and dependencies. What is Cucumber? Is a tool we support. And why Cucumber with Cypress, Gherkin keywords, and also Cypress installation dependencies, everything we covered. And we done the setup. mm, a Cypress project installed. We have added the Cucumber plugin, and we have done some configuration settings for the BDD Cucumber file to access to integrate with the step definitions files. Okay. So, and we created one basic test case. Everything is in this session. So, guys, this session is very helpful, and we will start with simple test cases, and next session we will start working with the framework, BDD framework. This is a simple test case we created in today's session, and we will start implementing the framework, BDD framework with Cypress. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. If this video is helpful for you, hit like, share, and subscribe, guys. So we are going to share more QA automation context here. And please subscribe our channel. This is our channel. Thank you so much, guys.